Hey gamers, are you tired of your Nintendo Wii channels being a chaotic mess? Want that sleek, organized vibe for your home screen? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to show you how to rearrange your Nintendo Wii channels step by step. Let's dive in and make your Wii experience smoother than ever. Turn on your Wii and voila, the home menu appears. This is your command center, your playground, well, you get the idea. Now, grab your Wii remote and get ready to flex that A button finger. Here's what you need to do. Point your Wii remote at the channel you want to move. Once you've got it in your sights, press and hold the A button. Now simply drag the channel to its new home. Once you've found the perfect spot, let go of the A buttons. And just like that, boom! Your channel is locked in place. It's like Tetris, but way easier. Congratulations! You've just unlocked a whole new level of Wii organization skills. Whether you're flexing for friends or just enjoying the satisfaction of a tidy menu, your Wii is now as smooth as butter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let us know in the comments that this method worked for you. Until next time, keep gaming and keep it organized.